differentiate between economic and non-economic activities. So when we study economics, we are focusing on economic activities. All human beings are engaged in some activity or the other in order to satisfy their basic needs. For example, farmers are busy in their field, workers are working in factories, professionals like CAs or doctors are busy in their profession. Depending on wants, all human activities can broadly be categorized into two categories, divided into two categories: economic activities and non-economic activities. Economic activities, they are undertaken to earn money. Non-economic activities, they are undertaken to get satisfaction. Economic activities refer to those activities which are undertaken to earn a living. Income generate करने के लिए जो आपने activities करी. For example, a worker working in a factory, shopkeeper selling goods in his shop, doctor attending to patients in his clinic. Economic activities are concerned with all those activities which are concerned with production, consumption, and distribution of goods and services, which are not available for free. So every economy should undertake three main economic activities. Consumption. Ab you want to consume, for example, bread. Is it an economic activity? Buying bread?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anything which is not available for free, which involves money, so that is an economic activity. Consumption is an economic activity which deals with the use of goods and services for satisfaction of human wants. Wow. Eating of bread, drinking of milk, wearing watches, listening to music, they are all consumption activities and definitely a part of economic activities. Why? Because they deal with use of goods and services which can be bought for money. Next type of economic activity, production. Production refers to all activities which are undertaken to produce goods and services for generation of income and satisfying human wants. मैं पढ़ा रहा हूं. Am I producing a service? Rendering a service?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are consuming a service. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Consumption is also an economic activity. Production is also an economic activity. It is the process of converting raw material into finished goods. So if we talk about a factory, वो raw materials को convert करके finished goods बनाती है. Then we are focusing on production of goods, but production of services is definitely as well an economic activity. Land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship, 4 factors of production. The activities of farmer, carpenter, trader, teacher, doctor, shopkeeper, all come under production. So 2 vital elements of an economy, production and consumption, are the 2 essential economic activities of an economy. Generally, every individual in an economy is engaged either in consumption or in production. दोनों में से कोई ना कोई एक्टिविटी तो आप कर ही रहे होगे. When an individual is engaged in consumption of goods and services, he is acting as the consumer. Similarly, when an individual is engaged in production of some goods or services, he is acting as a producer. So these are the 2 vital elements of an economy. Although in total there are 3. Third one is distribution. How is the income distributed, Navsheen? Problem of for whom to produce में हमने पढ़ा था. It was also the problem of distribution of income.
Yes, sir.
So how is the income distributed?
So
Factorial
between
distribution.
4 factors of production,
Very good.
land, labor, entrepreneurship, and capital.
तो land को क्या मिलता है?
Rent.
Land generates rent, labor,
Wages and salaries.
Wages and salaries.
wages and salaries, capital,
Interest.
interest, or enterprise,
Profit.
enterprise, entrepreneurship, profit. So the third economic activity, distribution, is that economic activity which studies how the income generated is distributed among the various factors of production. So it deals with determining how the total income arising from the factors is distributed to land, labor, capital, and the entrepreneur in the form of rent, wages, interest, and profit respectively. तो क्या क्या कौन कौन जनरेट कर रहा है? क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
बोलो, कोई कुछ बोल रहा है या यस सर ही बोला था?
यस सर ही बोला था.
ओके, इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म्स पता होनी चाहिए. अभी हम क्या पढ़ रहे हैं? डिफरेंस बिटवीन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज एंड नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज. काफी इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म्स हैं ये, इकोनॉमिक्स में बहुत फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज होंगी. कंज्यूमर, अ कंज्यूमर इज वन हु कंज्यूम्स गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. रीजन क्या है? फॉर सैटिस्फैक्शन ऑफ हिज वांट्स. प्रोड्यूसर कौन है? अ प्रोड्यूसर इज वन हु प्रोड्यूसेस गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज फॉर जनरेशन ऑफ इनकम. फॉर एग्जांपल, अ फार्मर और अ मैन्युफैक्चरर. Service holder, a service holder is a person who work for some other person and get paid for it in the form of wages or salaries. So service holder कौन हो गए? Employees.
Labor.
Employees sounds better, but yes, category
So
वही है.
factors के हिसाब से होता है.
हाँ बिल्कुल सही है, कैटेगरी वही है, लेबर. सर्विस प्रोवाइडर कौन हो गया? एम्प्लॉयर, जो कंपनी चला रहा है. एंटरप्रेन्योर
Yes, sir.
के हिसाब से. Okay, a service provider is a person who provides some kind of service to the other for payment. For example, lawyer, doctor, banker, जो भी employer है उसने service provider. Subject matter of economics, the subject matter of economics is divided into following sections. General बातें हैं, just read once, understanding strong होगी. अब जैसे हम ये बातें कर रहे हैं, land, labor, 10 दिन पहले तो सुनी थी. जो डेफिनेशन पढ़ रहे हैं स्कैर्सिटी, 10 दिन पहले तो सुनी थी, लेकिन ऐसा लग रहा है ना, क्योंकि हमने थोड़ी सी डिटेल में करी थी, तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि हाँ हाँ ये तो हमें पता है. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir.
वैसे ही कुछ भी आपके पास टेक्स्ट आ रहा है जो बेसिक भी है, पढ़ेंगे डिटेल में तो ही आगे यूज कर पाएंगे. जो टेक्निकल होगा उस पर तो हम कहानियां ही कर देंगे. जैसे पीपीएफ टेक्निकल पार्ट था, व्हाट टू प्रोड्यूस, हाउ टू प्रोड्यूस, फॉर होम टू प्रोड्यूस, वो तो जनरल बातें थी. पीपीएफ पे हमने काफी सारी डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस कवर करी. उतनी डिटेल स्टडी क्या हमें बेसिक प्रॉब्लम्स पे करनी पड़ी?
नो सर.
तो कुछ चीजें होंगी, वी विल डिस्कस वंस, रीड वंस, अंडरस्टैंड देम, बस हो गया. कुछ चीजें होंगी जिसमें हमें डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस भी कवर करनी पड़ेंगी तो एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंड कि वो कहना क्या चाहते हैं. तो ये वो है कि जस्ट रीड वंस बट प्रॉपर्ली अंडरस्टैंड करके. Subject matter of economic consumption, we study wants, their origin, nature and characteristics, laws of governing them. Production, we study means of production. Exchange, price determination through the forces of demand and supply. तो हम क्या क्या स्टडी करने वाले हैं? Price determination microeconomics में. Distribution, how is the income distributed among the 4 factors of production. Public finance, due to increase in the role of the government, public economies has now emerged as a separate branch of study. Public finance is the most important topic of public economics, which deals with economics of government. ये कहाँ पढ़ेंगे हम? मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स में. 11th का पार्ट नहीं है, बट पता तो होना चाहिए कि पब्लिक फाइनेंस हम कहाँ स्टडी करते हैं? मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स में. बाकी सारी चीजें यहाँ पे माइक्रो में कवर हो जाएंगी. Economic activities refer to those activities which are undertaken to earn a living. Non-economic activities, they are the activities which are not concerned with creation of money or wealth. Example, housewife cooking food for her family or a teacher teaching his own son. मम्मी ने घर पे खाना बनाया. What was the purpose? To generate, to earn a living? Yeah, welfare. या
Welfare.
रेंडर्ड आउट ऑफ, इसको बोलते हैं नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज रेंडर्ड आउट ऑफ लव एंड अफेक्शन या फिर मजबूरी, जो भी है. पर्पस वाज नॉट टू अर्न अ लिविंग.
Yes, sir.
So non-economic activities that are not concerned with creation of money or wealth. As a teacher, मैं आपको पढ़ा रहा हूँ. Is it an economic activity or a non-economic activity?
Economic activity.
That is an economic activity. घर पे आपके पेरेंट्स आपको पढ़ा रहे हैं. Economic activity या non-economic activity? बेटा डिस्कशन इसलिए कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि ऐसे क्वेश्चंस भी आ जाते हैं, हमें लिस्ट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज आती हैं, हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना होगा इकोनॉमिक है या नॉन इकोनॉमिक. In non-economic activities, there is no expectation of any kind of monetary reward or benefit. They are inspired by sentimental reasons and are performed out of love, sympathy, sentiments, patriotism, etc. Some more examples of non-economic activities performed in the economy are charitable activities like blood donation camps, free education to needy students, social activities like get-together, attending parties, political activities performed by different political parties, religious activities like praying to God. हम फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं, फुटबॉल टूर्नामेंट हो रहा है, वो भी एक नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी है. यस और नो?
सर अगर वो पैसों वाला मैच हो तो इकोनॉमिक हो जाएगी.
अगर ऑर्गेनाइजर का पर्पस था जनरेशन ऑफ रेवेन्यू, अगर वो एक चैरिटेबल इवेंट था, देन इट इज अ नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी. जो इंटर स्कूल कॉम्पिटिशंस होते हैं, इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी, नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी?
नॉन इकोनॉमिक सर.
नॉन इकोनॉमिक. जो आईपीएल हो रहा है, इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी या नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी?
Economic.
इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी.
इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी.
पर्पस ही जनरेशन ऑफ रेवेन्यू है. तो की पॉइंट क्या है? एनी एक्टिविटी अंडरटेकन टू अर्न अ लिविंग. इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी, any activity which is not connected to creation of money or wealth is known as a non-economic activity.
सर